A video clip in which you can insert your logo, replace photos and videos is called a video template. You'll see how we made one of these for Artlist. Team, people, that's the most important thing. Behind every cool video is a team of professionals. They should be like one. And of course the idea. He's annoying me, he really does. Of course allow him. Yeah, I mean our producer. I feel like strangling him, you know what I mean? And then I wanna hug him. I think that's okay. Is this okay? I'm very happy to be on this team, you know? We do great projects, new challenges every time. Some call it problems and maybe inconveniences, but I see it as experience and growth. Every project make us cooler. I'll tell you what, I'm only interested in video shoots and ladies. Ozzy sleeps all the time, but he's a professional guy. This is not a Hollywood, baby. You don't get hard through connections. He's good at what he does. Do you like it? Yeah, I dream them every morning. I have a special scissors. He doesn't have scissors, it's a fake mustache. Yeah, I fell asleep. Okay. I can fall asleep a lot on set. But let's be honest, I have absolutely nothing to do while they're filming. Why not to make a template with the vinyl record? Each record has a sticker, so user will able to replace the sticker at will. That's cool, but every movie, video, and even video template must have the plot twist. We can show the record in the frame and that's it. Okay. What if we shoot turntable from above and put some records next to it and add some, I don't know, maybe elements around this stuff? Yeah, man, that's cool. That's really cool. And put a cactus there. Maybe palm tree? Nah. Ficus will be better. Yeah, Ficus will be better. Yeah, for sure. Sounds great. But what about the plot twist? At the beginning, hand spinning the record covers the whole frame. Then they go down and we see the whole turntable scene. There's records and stuff laying around. Yeah, that's a good start, definitely. So we have dynamic in the frame and we have something like in-frame editing. So we're going from the close-up to the general in single shot. Ah man, we need a plot twist. Otherwise it will be boring. You know? Yeah. The twist. Let's not spin the record, let's spin the camera. I don't get it. Well, normally we see the record spin. We'll make rotate the camera with the record. It's like the record is standing still and everything is spinning. Cool, but how do you rotate the camera when it's screwed to the ceiling? Actually, it's not a problem to rotate the camera. The problem is to match the speed of the record. That's the real problem. Relax, bro, I'll make it in post-production. Okay, it's the deal. But what is the final? At the moment of rotation, logo goes full screen and stops. That's the final. Wow, that's cool.
Hallelujah. When the bass hit your face, you be like. Face hit your face.
Aziz, light! Much better. Thank you, Aziz. Can I model, please? Yeah, sure. Why not? Camera rolling. And action! Cut! Rolling. Action! Cut! Rolling. Action! Cut! Action! Cut! And action! So the first thing I did was pick the best take, trim it the timing. Now we need to interpret our footage. So our video is no longer flat, now a little color correction and color grading, voila. Nothing supernatural or extreme, just a light makeup. This is how it was before and this is how it is after. Now we're going to render it and show it into After Effects. Okay, this is where we'd like to even out our frame much better. We're going to render one frame and throw it into Photoshop using AI to enlarge the frame so we can rotate it. I think that's perfect. Back in After Effects, now the meditative part of the job, rotoscoping and cleanup. Okay, first I'm going to cut our arms. Okay, I also need to get rid of the logos and the cable. This is much better. We do the surface tracking to add the logo. We need to remember to leave the hole in the record, of course. And now for the fun part. Add the camera rotation and of course the tagline. Okay, done. It remains to add controllers so that the user can easily and quickly customize the template. That's it. So, the user can add their own logo, change the background color, change the text as well as the color of the text, and of course use any music. Well man, that was really awesome. Did we make this stuff? We're gonna upload it. There's only one website that values style, originality and professionalism. This is Artlist.io. I've already uploaded. Our template is already on the site under Sort by Stuff Picks.
What? This is f***ing awesome!
Oh yeah.